I'd like to think as I'm getting older, I'm getting a little bit wiser when it comes to hard work in the garden. You see, it doesn't matter whether you've got a large garden like mine, whether you're on a semi-rural block or maybe even a small farm, whether you're a professional contractor, a landscaper, or maybe you're just one of those weekend DIY warriors that hire your equipment, you really need a quality machine, and not all machines are the same. When it comes to mini loaders that make gardening so much easier, there's really only one brand that stands out.
Kanga is the leader and an iconic brand for professionals working in the field, and relied on because of its durability, reliability and multi-functionality. I've used them over the years, hiring them for projects, but recently I've actually added one to my essential tool collection. The machines themselves are easy to operate. There's a few pre-start checks that you should always take. Make sure the fluids are there. Fuel is diesel, there's engine oil, water, and of course hydraulic fluid. The diesel light must be glowing before you start the machine, and the auxiliary lever is in an off or engine start position. It's always important to check the tyre pressure on loaders. Of course, this is a substantial investment, so reading the operating manual is hugely helpful, particularly when it comes to setting up the attachments, which are the real tools of the machine, like a stump grinder, the trencher, the post hole digger, and the 4-in-1 bucket. That's absolutely essential. The machine also has a leveller, a mixer bowl, a 6-way blade, a backhoe, and the all-important mulching bucket attachment. These things just make garden care, landscape construction so much easier, and you more productive. That's why we rely on them at a professional level.
Now, all the old rules apply when it comes to safety. Make sure you're wearing steel cap boots, you've got long trousers on, ideally long sleeve shirt, and always wear safety glasses. Now, with certain projects, you're going to want to have earmuffs on. The machine can generate a fair bit of noise, and of course, if you're using it for a long period of time, that can affect your hearing. These machines are absolutely sensational when it comes to doing the job, but make sure you've got all the equipment before you start the project.
There are a number of different machines for different purposes, and they range from small machines through to the much larger 7 Series. You can have wheels and also tracks. It all depends on what you need the project to do.
It doesn't matter whether the job's a big one or a small one. If you want to make it so much easier, check out the mini loader. It is such an incredible machine, and always look for an Aussie-made product. Kanga is absolutely sensational. This will make the garden projects so much more enjoyable to carry out, and the final result, incredibly good.